Hello, I will be explaining how to get Aurora Fn.dev, which is a better version of Fn.dev, I believe. And you're gonna need an account for this, so I'm gonna sign up. And if you don't have an account, I'm gonna put I'm just gonna type a random password in here. I'm gonna copy this because I'm not gonna remember it, so I go to my notepad. Why am I hiding it if this is not going to be my main account? If you want to use this as your account, go ahead and press I'm not a robot and you press sign up. I bet when I put my email in and my password right, it's going to be like, no, it's not right. Oh, it was right. So you press save, then you can have this amount. You can go start. You have 5 V-Bucks here, go all the way up to 2147483. So I'm just go 999,000 or 9,999,000 and put myself at level 1007 or something, or maybe 1337 right here. Now I'm gonna go Aurora. I can't remember how to spell it. I'm gonna go to /download and go to the latest version. It's gonna say it's not safe, so I'm gonna go to my downloads. I'm gonna keep. Alright. Now after you've downloaded it, you wanna turn off your antivirus because it's just gonna delete it. I think it's because it thinks it's dangerous, but it's not. Name your folder what you want it to be named. Then extract into the folder. After that, you want to load your Fortnite launcher.exe. And it's going to give you the screen right here. I'm going to put in my email right here, my fake email, and my fake password. Not my fake password, but my real password, and press launch. I'm gonna leave this on the screen right here for a couple more seconds if you want to use this as your account. But now it's gonna be closed. I didn't mean to press that. I meant to say don't save. Now we're loading in. And we just gotta wait for the game to be fully loaded in. And I'll come back to you guys when that has happened. So, give it a second. We are back inside the Battle Royale game. I don't know if it's too loud right now because it sounds pretty loud. So I'm gonna just turn it down. Yeah, I don't think it really saved what I wanted. I think there might have been a save button, I didn't press it. But interestingly enough, you can actually play with friends on here. So anyone who's made a second account, like one of my accounts I picked is YT Tanks Uploads Leaks. I don't know, I think they deleted most of the accounts because I heard they were gonna do that. But once we're in here, we have every skin in the game again, including the henchman skins and 2 bananas for some reason. We also got more henchman skins and TBD skins. We got every bundle, every rare skin, fish stick, and just every single skin in the game. OG defaults again. So this is like original Fortnite.dev, but this one is the current up-to-date version, and this is Aurora, not Fortnite.dev. There's nothing in the item shop, and the battle pass is just this room. negative 98 million XP. Listen to any song on here. Get any back bling. Any glider. Freeing placeholder gliders. And the dev test assets. Again. So yeah, this is how you get every item in Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll show you, hopefully give more tutorials soon. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Peace.